OnePlus is back at it, and this time, they're shaking things up with something totally fresh, the OnePlus 13T. This is OnePlus's first mini flagship, and honestly, it's one of the most exciting devices we've seen from them in a while. Launching on April 24th at 2:30 p.m. in China, the 13T brings something that fans have been asking for, a compact phone that doesn't compromise on power. OnePlus is calling it the small screen big devil, and yeah, that name makes sense once you look under the hood. It's a bold move for the brand, offering flagship level performance in a sleeker, smaller form factor. At the heart of the OnePlus 13T is the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Extreme Edition processor, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and a massive 6,200 milliamp hour plus battery. Impressively lightweight at just 185 grams, and OnePlus has balanced the weight distribution to be 50-50, so it feels incredibly comfortable in the hand. The display is a 6.3-inch 1.5K flat panel, what OnePlus calls the golden size, with ultra-narrow bezels, rounded corners, and a super clean look. It's compact without feeling cramped, and it brings the premium screen experience you'd expect from a flagship. And let's talk about the design. It's gorgeous. The OnePlus 13T comes in 3 colors: black, silver, and a super eye-catching pink. And that pink variant is definitely going to attract attention, especially from users who want something stylish and unique. The back panel uses a brand new coral fleece glass process that not only looks premium, but also feels amazing to hold. Honestly, it might be one of the best feeling phones in the hand right now. OnePlus didn't stop at looks though. They packed this thing with serious gaming hardware. It features the same G1 gaming Wi-Fi chip used in the Ace 5 Pro, which boosts your network speed by up to 50% in the same Wi-Fi environment. For mobile gamers, that's a huge deal. The Fengchi game engine comes pre-installed and supports dynamic performance tuning, adjusting CPU and GPU usage to keep the phone cool and responsive during intense gameplay. Plus, if you're gaming on the go, the OnePlus 13T supports bypass charging, meaning you can charge the phone while using it without worrying about heating issues. The battery management features combined with fast charging and bypass charging make this a perfect phone for long hours of gaming, streaming, or any intensive activity. One of the standout features of the OnePlus 13T is its massive 6,200 mAh plus battery, which is a rare sight in compact phones. Despite its small form factor, the phone packs this big battery, ensuring you can game, stream, and browse all day long without running into power issues. OnePlus has made sure that this isn't just about size, it's about performance too. The 13T supports 100-watt Super VOOC charging, allowing you to juice up the phone quickly. A full charge is expected to take just around 30 minutes, meaning less time plugged in and more time enjoying the phone's impressive features. The phone also comes with a thermal management system to keep temperatures under control during charging, which is perfect for heavy usage days. Even the side button has been redesigned. It still switches between silent, vibrate, and ring modes, but now it also supports custom shortcuts, letting you assign other quick actions to it. Whether it's launching the camera or activating a focus mode, this little change adds a lot of practical value. On the camera side, the OnePlus 13T is rumored to feature a dual 50-megapixel setup on the back, one main sensor, and a 2x vertical telephoto-style lens. While there's no ultra-wide this time around, the main sensors are expected to deliver strong imaging performance. The front camera is a centered 32-megapixel shooter, perfect for selfies and video calls, and it keeps the design looking symmetrical and clean. Now, here's the catch. The OnePlus 13T is currently only confirmed for launch in China, but if history repeats itself, and it usually does, we can expect a global rollout soon after. The original OnePlus 13 also launched in China first before going global, so fingers crossed that we'll see the 13T hit international markets by May. That would be perfect timing to go head-to-head with Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge, which is rumored to drop around the same time. Overall, the OnePlus 13T is looking like a seriously smart move by OnePlus. It brings flagship performance and design into a smaller, more manageable package without cutting corners. Whether you're a gamer, a design lover, or just someone tired of giant phones, this might be the device you've been waiting for. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you go for the OnePlus 13T over the regular 13 or something like the S25? And as always, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned.